Can I get a Durawood sign in any shape? Durawood is one of the most nostalgic sign materials available. It's surprising why most sign companies don't offer Durawood custom-shaped signs. But at SignsUS.com, you have unlimited custom shapes to choose from for your new Durawood sign. We're often asked if signs can be made into custom shapes, and the answer is yes. When it comes to creating a new sign, we know there are many options to consider, especially when it's for something as important as your business or promotion. So here at SignsUS.com, we want to assure you that the decision about a custom shape is a piece of cake. We've all seen square and rectangular wood signs, but did you know that many of the custom, professional, and shapely wood signs may be Durawood? While Durawood is durable, lightweight, easy to install, and professional, it has a secret recipe. And here it is. You can have your Durawood sign designed and cut into any shape. Yes, that's right. Any shape, any size. Whether it's a circle for your new daycare, or a custom mascot for your favorite sports team, or even a more elaborate design for your new business, we've got your best interest and design in mind. We've all heard of cutting corners. Well, here at SignsUS.com, we do that, but in a good way. Rounded corners are a great way to give a softer, more professional and finished look to your custom Durawood sign shape. As always, for your convenience, we have in-house sign designers readily available to assist with your custom-shaped sign at no charge. So remember, before we sign off, not only can we produce your Durawood sign in a traditional square or rectangle, we can also provide you a custom Durawood sign in any shape you want. The possibilities are endless, and we're here to help you create the perfect shaped sign. Because we specialize in your needs, a customer service representative is always available. I'm Beth. Thanks for watching.